Looking for a reliable plumber who gets the job done right the first time? Turn to the Sunshine Coast's trusted professionals, kLEEN Plumbing, servicing domestic and commercial clients throughout the Sunshine Coast and Brisbane. We offer quality service at the right price. There is no one else to call because we do it all. From plumbing repairs and installations to blocked drains, hot water systems, backflow and gas fitting, we tick all the boxes. Did you know our sister company dRAINS are experts at ensuring your drains and pipes are fully functional? Servicing domestic, commercial and civil clients, we specialise in CCTV inspections and surveys, including build-over infrastructure surveys, as well as no-dig pipe relining, drain location, drain cleaning and more. Led by owners Darren and Carrie Bourne, our licensed plumbers go above and beyond for all our clients. Call kLEEN Plumbing and dRAINS on 07 5370 9970 to request a quote and let us help you today. And ask us about our free CCTV inspection offer with every drain clean.